Hi guys, Love here and welcome back to techbeatph.com, and we already reviewed the Zenfone 5Q and the Zenfone 5. So now we're going to review what they call the flagship killer. We're going to review the Zenfone 5Z. So do stick around the video to see our unboxing and our real world review, and this is the right phone for you.
Unboxing the phone, we can see first the screen protector that comes with every phone. And the star of the show, the phone itself. Handling the phone, it has a very premium feel to it. It's very elegant with its front and back glass construction. You can also see the fingerprint sensor, which is at the back. Let's put the phone down for a moment and see what else comes with the box. Opening the next level compartment, we can see here that it comes with a fast charging adapter together with a Type-C cable for charging the phone. A very nice set of earphones also comes with the phone together with different sizes of earbuds. Switching the phone on, we can see here it has a very nice, very crisp, crystal clear screen. The buttons on the left are for the volume toggle, and also if looking at the bottom, we can see the Type-C connector together with the external speakers. So do watch our next video as we take out the Zenfone 5Z on a real world test.